Hello guys, Colonel Ninny here.
Today we're off to bomb the Russian fleet on the Kuban map, and we can expect to find the fleet somewhere along that dotted route. As the game has been in progress for some time, I'm not sure where the ships will be along that route, so I'm going to fly to the southern portion of it and then follow them up towards their destination, then return to the nearest airfield. So help me to identify my position. There's a point of land. Can't see any ships yet. And over to the right are some islands. So where does that put me? If you can identify my sector as 0810, you are correct. Come on guys, you know that if you've flown with me before, you're not a spectator, you're expected to do some work. Okay, looking for ships to the north, but I see an aircraft. One of theirs, one of ours, don't know. What's my mission? To bomb the target and go home, not to engage in a dogfight. However, he's coming up to see me. And can you identify him as a 190, a friendly? And equally important, he's recognized me as a friendly. I don't know if he's going to stay and support me or not. Okay, so back to business. Let's find those ships. I have to tell you, I'm somewhat nervous by being right out here all by myself, so I'm going to climb up into the clouds. So why not take a look at my tutorial on how to use cloud cover. Essentially, I hide in the lower levels and pop out when I want to see where I am or look for my target. Okay, I can't see any ships. I'm going to go back up into the clouds. Only to find that someone's stolen them. Now for me, concealment from enemy aircraft is very important. I'm still doing my scan, but I'm keeping an eye on my gunner as well because I'm watching his reactions. If he opens up his clamshells and starts looking around, I know he's seen an enemy. Okay, so I'm heading north-northwest. What are those points of land up ahead? And that town. Wait a minute, is that the fleet? If you said 0609 and the town of Kirsch, then you are correct. And yes, that is the fleet. Showtime! Okay, so what do I see? I see 3 or 4 gunboats and 3 vessels, and one of those vessels is damaged. I have the greatest chance of sinking a damaged vessel, so that's the one I'm going to target first. I'm approaching from behind at high speed, so I need to let my bombs go early. I'm going to drop 1 bomb and come around and try again. And release. And my second bomb at this other vessel, but at 650 kilometers an hour. There's a little chance I'll time it right. So it looks like I got 1 good hit on the first vessel and a miss on the second. But before I do that, what is my gunner doing? It's okay, he's not panicking, he's just enjoying the show. But the main thing is nobody's shooting at me. So if they're not interested in shooting at me, I'm certainly going to go back and try and shoot at them. I don't think that any of my armament is going to sink these vessels, but it's certainly going to damage a few of them. Might destroy a gun or two. Well, somebody was awake down there. Looks like I have a fuel leak and a decision to make. Break it off and fly home, or take one more run at things. We always have an exit strategy. I'm going to take a run at things and go straight ahead, and that's friendly territory, so as soon as I've made my run, I'm going to turn left and land at the nearest airfield. Scanning now, a couple of guys out there. Oh, hit by something. That put me off my run. Port, get the hell out of there. Looks like a MiG right up. Haha, beat that, you Ruskies. Actually guys, I was just kidding. I surrender.
As always, if you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like it or subscribe. Or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, please